Hey guys, what's up? So we are only a few days away from the official launch of the Galaxy Note 20 and the leaks are coming in from left, right and center. We already have all the specs of the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, and now we have the white color of the phone in an official render courtesy of Ishan Agarwal and 91 Mobiles. The Note 20 Ultra will be available in 3 color variants including the Mystic White, which might be exclusive to Europe, the Mystic Bronze, which I'm a fan of, and the Mystic Black, which looks nice as well, but the matte bronze is my favorite. The white version has a grey colored camera bump and silver camera rings, which looks awesome and seems like Samsung took the criticism about the Galaxy S20's design to heart. The Note 20 on the other hand will be available in Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Green. Apart from the color options, we also have the charging capabilities of both these phones. While the Note 20 Ultra supports 45W fast charging, Samsung will only bundle 25W charger in the box with both the models, which has been the case with the Note 10 as well as the Galaxy S20 series. It shouldn't be a problem though, as the phone ships with a 4500 mAh cell, which should charge pretty quickly with the 25W charger as well. You can always upgrade in case you want even faster charging. Also, Samsung will be selling the Smart Clearview cover with an antimicrobial coating given the situation we are all in, which is nice, but it's not clear if the coating is any good against the current virus, but we should find out soon enough. Also, the complete specs of the Galaxy Buds Live aka Beans has been leaked, and it does bring some improvements over the Galaxy Buds Plus for a nominal price bump. The Galaxy Buds Live will offer active noise cancellation, which is the most requested feature missing from the Buds Plus. It has a 12mm driver and 3 mics, 2 internal and 1 external. The Buds has a touch sensor, a hall sensor, an accelerometer and a distance sensor. These will offer a battery life of 7.5 hours if active noise cancellation and the always-on mic use for Bixby is turned off. With the mic on, the playtime drops to 5.5 hours, and if noise cancellation is activated, it drops further to 4.5 hours. With the case, the overall playtime increases to 28 hours with the mic and ANC disabled, and 20 hours if both these are active. You can use the touch gestures to change the volume, answer and end calls, influence the music, etc. It will come with ear tips in 3 sizes to offer a better fit, and the app will present you with a little tutorial as to how to wear them properly. You should be able to use the Buds Live for 35 minutes on charging them for only 3 minutes inside the case. The case itself can be charged wirelessly or with the help of a USB Type-C cable. Moving on, we also have the hands-on video of the Galaxy Watch 3 courtesy of Tech Talk TV. We have the smaller 41mm variant of the watch, which has the fan favorite rotating dial and 2 buttons on the right hand side. The watch will come in 2 sizes, the 41mm and a 45mm. It has the same Exynos 9110 processor as the Watch Active 2 and has a circular Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 360 by 360. It will come with Tizen OS 5.5 operating system and One UI 2.0 interface. It will also feature NFC, loudspeaker, a health sensor, 5W wireless charging along with a 5 ATM rating, which means that it has water resistance up to 50 meters in depth for 10 minutes. The watch also comes with gesture support and fall detection. You would be able to receive a call by clenching and unclenching your wrist and shaking your hand to reject a call. If the watch takes a fall, it's going to ring for 60 seconds. If the owner doesn't respond, it will send its location and a 5-second sound recording to the listed emergency contacts, which might help in tracing the watch. You can also set up an SOS call after a fall is detected if you wish to. That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about the white version of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Smash the like button if you like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.